Welcome back to Video Wizard. Today, very quickly, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on Premiere Pro, okay? So I have this video here, and what I want to happen is I want it to zoom in on him as he's running. So to do that, I need to make sure I have the Effects Control panel open. So let's go to Window, Effect Controls. It's ticked, absolutely fine, okay? So click on the video, Effect Controls, and I've already messed around with it a little bit, but ignore that. Let's toggle that off. You have all of these drop down menus. The only one you care about is motion on video, okay, when you're zooming in. Now let's create a first anchor point, okay, because I don't want the video to start off zoomed in. So let's just click this once, and that scale will be saved for the starting point. Now let's zoom in on him as he gets here. All we have to do is just adjust the zoom, and it puts another timestamp in. Now you'll notice now how he's out of frame as well, so we're going to need to adjust the position too. So let's click that stopwatch on here as well. That will set a timestamp for position. Move that to the start because we haven't actually moved anything. Now we do pretty much the same thing we did with scale, but on position. So just so we can get him perfectly in that frame. And let's see how that looks. As he's running, we're zooming in, and then it stays there because that's the last timestamp or anchor point, whatever you want to call it. That is literally it. That's all you need to know for scale, movement, everything like that. Just for good measure, I'll show you how to zoom out as well, just because this shot's going to look a little bit weird once he comes past the camera. So I'll tell you what we'll do. To make life really easy, I'm going to copy and paste that. That same timestamp can go there. So it zooms back out. Doesn't zoom back out, recentralizes, sorry. And let's do the same thing here. Line out with that one. Exact same thing. Now look how good that looks now. We've zoomed in and we zoom back out. That is literally it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of the day.